Good morning. Well, I am Rajneesh, the guest professor in the Motihari College of the Engineering. Here, I have been assigned here for a wonderful and the new and the very profitable topic for you, and that is the group discussion. It is also termed as the GD. G stands for group and the D for discussion. It is well known to you where there is a group, it means that there is a more than two person. Means the pluralistic society may be there. It may be school, it may be senate, it may be parliament, it may be organization, it may be the team, it may be multinational company, it may be the government department. Because the matter is here for a group. The more important here, the discussion always not concerned with the individual problem. We will talk only the topic in a discussion, especially in a group, about the common. About the common problem we will discuss, like mahangai, price hike, like corruption. We won't talk about the individual problem. So, the group discussion is nothing, it is simply a discussion or a topic given by a panelist or a leader to give your own opinion. Basically, this is a complete live and the dynamic process. The group discussion facilitates for you to come up and show the maximum verbal or non-verbal or soft skill or your hard skill on this controlled method stage. Here I have something like the U table. These all the dots are the individuals and this is a panelist, you can say a leader. Here is also a type of the dots is there. This is the panelist or a leader and these are the participant. These all are the participant in this pattern and this is the panelist or a leader. So, when you will have been given the assignment topic to start off with, you must be a very calm and just. This is the wonderful given opportunity to you to show up, to complete demonstrate, to display your maximum, your hard skill and the soft skill, you can say the verbal communication and the non-verbal communication. This is the wonderful stage. This is the very latest and the live occasion for you. Here, again I am here with the definition again. The group discussion simply facilitates under a control method to you a given topic by the leader or a panelist, by a leader or a panelist, so that you can upgrade your verbal and the non-verbal communication along with your, you can say that is the hard skill and the soft skill. This is the life. Second point is the test. A group discussion is simply a very silent test by a person concerned, by a leader, by a panelist about your listening capacity, your ability, your English, any fluency of your language, politeness, even your behavior, confidence, leadership, reasoning, analytic skill, body language, initiate and the tonal capacity. In the 1 to 10 minutes given a time, your total verbal and the non-verbal communication can be changed, can be checked under the given scenario in the group discussion. Now the question, why is GD? The company has become a very smart today in this model arena. Because in an interview, you will have to only interact with the member of the interviewer and you are the singular person there. So, it may be there is a lapse. It may be the lapse there, but in a group discussion, the lapses of misselection can be minimized because this is, the group discussion is the 100% zero error zero error, the lapses about your selection, because this is the complete open display of your verbal and the non-verbal live communication. So this is the important one. And by this method, company complete minimize the budget and the efforts liability, because it makes you 100%, it gives you free chances for the 100% concrete and the solid selection. So what is the process of the GD? In the any type of the GD, group discussion, the topic announcement will be. So somebody will announce the topic. In the topic, you will be the given time. Then after, initiation of the trade required. Suppose there is a group discussion of the 7 and the 11 or the 15 or the 17 boys and the girls and the candidate. In the same pattern, the one leader will be, you will have to be select. If you have been given a chance of a leader, don't hesitate. Never go for any hesitation there. Shake hand with this assignment and come up and give up the best of before the interview. And then after the GD summarization, when after the closing of the group discussion, what is the best part? What is the best part? It must be known to you all. And finally, the judgment of the each particular participates by the panelist, because the camera is there, panelist is there. What is the plus and the minus of the each and the every candidates? It is the well known by panelist. And finally, requirement. It removes hesitation and the verbal and the non-verbal communication. Finally, this is the wonderful, these days, this is the wonderful instrument and the method and the highest degree of the professional tools that minimize the zero lapses in the selection if you select your candidate only after scrutiny of the group discussion. In the meantime, please develop your hard skill and the soft skill. In the meantime, I am taking a goodbye for you. Have a good day. Thank you very much.